The company Ruark Audio has announced their brand new R810 music system. Now, technically, they are calling this a high-fidelity radiogram. It's a very high-end system. Technically, it's not too expensive. It's about £3,000. It's still very expensive for most people, but then again, you have to look at what you can get with it. First of all, it's almost like a retro speaker that can maybe double up as a radio for you as well because it has modern features. Now, one thing Ruark did with this model is that they wanted to deliver a very old school audio system, but with modern features. This particular radiogram concept basically combines an audio system within pretty much an old school furniture style cabinet. So this is what they've done with this particular model. That's why they released it. According to Ruark, they've tried to make a handcrafted grill vented cabinet as well as making use of wood, sustainable wood, in its construction. So they wanted something really, really, really cool, and could make a lot of people maybe fall in love with vintage audio products in general. Ruark R810 is designed to easily work as a wireless Bluetooth system as well. You know, you can actually connect it to your smartphone. You can connect it to your laptop wirelessly. It has Bluetooth. There is even a control dial that works in conjunction with with a very small 4-inch color LCD display for easy navigation of the system features and its content options. So this thing is a beast in many respects. It really looks nice. I like what I'm seeing already. I think people will maybe like this sort of old school music system if they just want something very different from what they keep buying every time. So now, in terms of what you get inside of the cabinet, it will have twin bass reflex compartments that will house the Ruark's NS plus bass mid-range units. There will also be a silk dome tweeter setup inside, and you can even get a long throw subwoofer that's housed beneath the cabinet, the unit. So it's very good. It will very much give out bass, very powerful bass, and a very strong sound overall in terms of how it performs, or at least when playing your music back. Now, the other thing you get, at least to be able to access music in general, is that you can play records, you can play CDs by connecting a turntable to the phono inputs or even the CD-ROM drive to the USB-C socket. So it will allow that. It has all the modern features that you can expect from all these latest audio systems right now that are high-end. It's here as well. You will have HDMI, ARC, and ERC inputs. So you can connect the R810 to most TVs without having any issue at all with connection in general. For the fact that it has HDMI, ERC, I think it's done the most part for you. Now for streaming, it has Spotify Connect, it has Tidal Connect that are built in with the addition of Apple AirPlay as well as Chromecast that is built into it. You can stream, even you can control directly from the apps such as your Apple Music, your BBC Sounds, your Amazon Music, Qboards, and many more. So it will allow you to do a lot. It will really allow you to do a lot. It's just a beast in most respects. It's really a beast in most respects. Now, in terms of supports high-res audio, the Bluetooth standard it comes with is Bluetooth 5.1. It's really, really, really good in many respects. The cabinet is quite big. Its frequency response is 30 hertz to 22 kilohertz, so it has bass. It can really go low. 30 hertz is really good. Now, the amplifier inside is 180 watts. It can push 180 watts RMS. So it's really good. It's really good in many respects. It has Wi-Fi connection support. It has Ethernet connection support. The CD playback you can do is through the USB-C drive that is optional if you want it. HDMI, ARC support, like I said, is there. There's optical touch link that is behind it to allow you to connect to older devices or older TVs in general. So I'm gonna drop details for you guys down below, so do check it out. Subscribe to the channel, do like our content, follow us here on our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys very much